necessary paperwork is drawn up. Kun Lun will become...
Are you game for some more bonus button bashing bonus mission stuff?
Sure you are! And not to give away spoilers,
This one has cake at the end! A couple of the Avengers have been invited to Star-Lord's ship to set up a surprise party for Gamora. Party games, food, and dancing. Awesome! I imagine, as Gamora was Thanos' adopted daughter, parties might not have featured much in her childhood. Less petting zoos and ice cream, more ultimate cage fighting and evil laughter lessons. Nyah. It seems like this party was a surprise for Star-Lord, too. The way he's looking at Cap and Spidey's balloons, I'd say he totally forgot all about the party. Good thing for Star-Lord, Cap has exactly the can-do attitude that's needed to get the party started. In my day, we could get a swell shindig going with the flick of a broom, powdered egg, and a bugler. Okay, so I'm paraphrasing from stuff I heard in old war movies, but the point Cap is trying to make is once all the mess has been cleaned up, all that's needed for Gamora's party is eats and good tunes.
Hey, give me a hand, will ya?
Oh, come on, man. Seriously?
Seems simple enough. Align the circuits, totally unnecessary, but okay.
Why does everything run on some form of electricity?
We better get some food out for these people before they get angry.
I am Groot.
It totally is a word. It's hungry and angry.
How do I get myself in these crazy situations?
Show him who's boss.
These creatures, they do not work together.
It's just an expression, Drax. Yeesh. Well, that's just great. What are we supposed to do for fun now?
I could recount my list of 100 greatest victories in battle.
Yeah, I think I'd rather watch my whiskers grow. Not smashing up my ship with your novelty flying disc?
It's a shield.
Who throws a shield, dude?
Boy, I could use a superhero right now.
Aw, man, this place is dead. We need to get this party jumping. Who's up for a little dancing?
I don't really dance.
You sure? I got a killer soundtrack planned.
Let the good times roll! Who'd have thought Rocket could Lindy hop like a furry Gene Kelly?
Everyone, even Drax, is having such a good time that they've forgotten what the party was for in the first place. Oop, there she is. Gamora is back. But Star-Lord is too busy doing one of his 3 dance moves to notice. This was a surprise party for her, dude. Well, she certainly looks surprised. I reckon when she's gotten over the shock of the Milano having been cleaned up, she'll get her groove on and partay with the rest. I'm sure the galaxy can do without its guardians for one night. It's Gwenpool here, and I'm here to say a brand new mission is ready to play. Mic drop. GP,